So today we'll make a new game, Catch the Ball. For this, first of all, delete sprite 1 and add two new sprites, namely ball and bowl. Now choose a backdrop. I'll choose stars. Now go to variables and select make a variable and type score and press OK. Delete my variable. Now drag ball to bottom and ball to top left corner. Select ball, go to events. When flag clicked, from variables go to set score to 0. From looks go to show. Now from events for controls go to wait 1 second. This is because to give time to the player to get ready. Now from the same control drag a repeat 10 and change 10 to 60. Now from motion select go to X and Y. Don't change the Y value, but for the X we'll go to operators. Pick random from 1 to 10 and change the values to minus 200 to 200. Now go to control and select create clone of myself. Then from the same control drag a wait 1 second and we'll change the value 1. For this go to operator, select pick random from 1 to 10 and change the values to 0.5 to 1.5. Now from looks select hide. Then from event select broadcast message 1 and change it to new message and hide all. Now from control select when I start as a clone. From motion select glide 1 second to X and Y. Change the X to X position and for Y change it to minus 153. Now from control select delete this clone. From the control add when I start as a clone and drag up forever. Then if then block from sensing select touching mouse pointer and put it in the hexagonal block of if and from the drop down select bowl. Now go to variables and select change score by 1 and from control select delete this clone. Now go to bowl and from event select when flag click, go to looks and drag a show block. Now from control add a forever, if then else and if then block. From sensing select key space press. Now change it to right arrow key and left arrow key. Now go to motion and select move 10 steps under both of them and under left arrow key change 10 to minus 10. Now from events select when I receive hide all. From looks go and select hide. Now go to backdrops. From event select when flag click and when I receive hide all. From looks select switch backdrop to star under both of them and from hide all select backdrop 1. Now go to backdrops, Select backdrop 1, select fill tool and change the fill color to black, convert it into bitmap and click it. Now convert it back to vector, select text tool, change the fill color to red and type game over. Increase the size of game over. And our game is ready to play. We can test it. If we will have any confusion in scripts, you can go to the link which I'll provide in the description, and you can import Sprite directly into your project with their scripts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See, this works fine even after the game.